Well, the Warriors had a 2-0 weekend, but the one downside is they lose Andre Iguodala to a high ankle sprain for it looks like probably around 2 weeks. Now, you heard Steve Kerr talk about what a serious injury this is and what a big blow this is, and that's because Iguodala, in a lot of ways, is a coach on the floor. He is clearly the leader of that second unit. He gets them into the right kinds of looks and really covers up for a lot of the mistakes that they make on the floor. He's a two-way player. He can help you on the offensive end by being a distributor and being, probably outside of Steph Curry, their second best ball handler. And on the defensive end, he can help you in a number of ways as well, either on the glass or D'ing up guys on the perimeter. So losing Iguodala is a major loss. That all being said, I still expect Golden State to get to 73 wins. I still expect them to finish strong. You're going to see a lot more of Harrison Barnes. I think you're going to see a little bit more of Leandro Barbosa and maybe a little bit more of Ian Clark as Kerr looks for a second ball handler outside of Curry out there on the floor. So he's a real key component. You got to have him in the playoffs. I still think Golden State's getting that 73. Move aside, Chicago Bulls. The Golden State Warriors of 15-16 are on your tail.